Once upon a time, there came to the city a pretty little girl, a little country, but pretty, a little ragged, but a pretty little girl. There she met a man, city man, smooth, handsome, successful, cool, well-mannered type man. And since she was pretty, he saw fit to give her an audience. Oh, he talked to her for quite a while. Naturally, she wanted to get somewhere. He was already somewhere. He was standing on the corner, twirling his diamond-studded gold chain around his finger. And as he enumerated the various conditions and ways for her to get somewhere, you could hear her saying, "Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy." And so agreed. They dance. Oh, they really dance. They gave it a mad whirl, the maddest. Their hearts dance. Well, they virtually spun each other around. And as they came out of their spin, or rather as she came out of her spin, because I think he got caught in his. As a matter of fact, he's still in his spin. Obviously, he likes it, because there she is, standing on the corner, twirling the diamond-studded gold chain around her finger. And as she enumerates the various conditions and ways for him to get somewhere, we can hear him saying, "Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby."